Hi, welcome to this video which is on the 27th of January. We're on Monday. We're just going to be looking at a very simple way of trading breakouts today. Now, the strategy is extremely simple, and in terms of strategy, anyone can learn to use it. Now, in relation to the strategy, I'm going to look at three pairs today. Less looked at pairs, but this setup occurs in all Forex pairs at some point in time. Now, the pairs we are going to be looking at is one we looked at yesterday in the weekly Forex forecast, which I said I was very interested in and still am. It's USD MXN. Also going to be looking at USD ZAR and USD RUB. Three lesser looked at pairs, but they're probably on your trading platform. Now, all three pairs have something in common. Speculators are heavily short. And if you go long on a breakout, you can look for their stops to get run and basically the trade quickly to come into profit for you so you can get your stop up. The actual risk to reward on these three trades is really good. Now, in terms of this strategy, it involves using just very simple technicals and using a sentiment filter, and we're going to be using our favorite sentiment tool in Forex trading, the COT net traders positions, a totally free tool from the CFTC, which anyone can go and look at, and it will tell you where actual big money is positioned in the markets. Now, we know from the COT that speculators are heavily short the USD, commercial smart money heavily long the USD, and that points to, on breakouts, the speculators getting taken out on stop. Now, we've been waiting on these three pairs in the member center for a little while, but they're now starting to gain traction to the upside, or the USD is, and I think there could be far more upside to come. So let's go and look at the trade setups. But just before we do so, please do keep in mind, it is my view as of this specific moment in time. It can obviously change in line with the market conditions and action. If you want all our trading techniques, our daily technical sentiment analysis of 14 Forex pairs and our COT analysis on over 30 pairs, you can click on the link beneath this video and get live access to our member center. Now, before we look at the charts of the individual pairs, we're just going to look at the COT net traders positions first. Right, from the COT net traders positions report, we just compiled a little spreadsheet of the positions. The data is all free from the CFTC. Got the non-commercials, there's speculators over here, commercial smart money over here. And we will use the report in various different ways. I'm just going to explain briefly how we're using it in relation to these three pairs. If you want a comprehensive kind of overview of how we use it, just look up our video COT net traders positions. We're really, most of the time, looking for big divergences between the smart money and the speculators. And we've got it in the MXN, the RUB and the ZAR. It's the foreign currency first against the USD on the COT. Record net long position in the peso from the speculators, and you can see we express the longs relative to shorts as a ratio, so 5.1 to 1 in terms of long peso bets over short peso bets. Commercials oppose them 3.2 to 1 in terms of shorts over longs. That gives divergence of 8.3. The bigger the divergence, the better. Divergence in this pair above 7 is really good. We like them, near 10 or above. And you can see in the RUB, we've got a divergence of 9.5. And in the ZAR, it's 17. Now, this points to speculators getting run on stop. And I think that's already started. So let's go and look at the first pair, which is USD MXN. Now, the record net short position builds up as we come down here. We base out, we break out here. That can be taken as a long position. And now it's this level. This level, 19, gives way. I could have taken that line a bit further over to the left. You can see there's more support over here. But that level, a key level, you want it to come in fresh. You go through 19. You look for the stops to get run. Stop could be just back behind this level, okay? I haven't put up a stop up yet. We're already long because we haven't broken out. But if we break out, you can see a big move to the upside. And this is a fast moving pair. This was a speculative stop hit over here. You see how fast it moved. I'm looking for the same to happen again, but if you're not in the pair, wait for the breakout. Now, in terms of the other two pairs, this one is USD rub. Again, we're already long of this one. We've built up momentum and then really moving higher today. If we can get clear of that tail high through 63 and clear of it, it's a weekly resistance level as well. We're looking for immediate follow through. And again, you've got to manage the trade as it goes. We could go back to chart highs on a fresh entry on a breakout. You can see the stop there, 61.90, just back here behind the 62 round number. So really good risk to reward on this one. And the other one is USD ZAR, of course, and I'll just bring it up. I can't find it. Here it is. USD ZAR come up, and you've got a little bit of basing here, okay, or sideways. Now we're breaking up. Just those two tails to be taken out, really. Then we could get to 15.50, maybe even 16. So 3 really good risk reward breakout trades, and you can have confidence in the strategy. You're coming through nice levels, okay? And you know speculators are heavily short. Smart money's with you. You're looking for the stops to get run. So simple strategy. These ones we've been waiting to gain traction on in the member centre for a couple of weeks now. But they're starting to look pretty good. And I think they've got far more upside ahead. It's a simple strategy, but the logic behind it, you can have confidence in. Your risk is relatively low against your reward. So it's a really good way of trading breakouts. So that is the video for today. Thank you very much for watching it as per usual. Take care and have a good day.